it's your boy, Chef Snipre-Reiffel, born in the year 5228, and today we're going to be making some delicious pancakes for the world famous food critic, Gennard Gur-glubbeld. So let's just get right into it. And so to make those delicious pancakes, we're going to need some ingredients like flour, milk, eggs, and butter. And to get that, we're going to have to forage like our ancestors did all those years ago. And to do that, I got a very special guest, Kurt Ringy. The beautiful. Howdy doody there, it's Kurt Ringy, and today we're gonna be looking for some wild ingredients. It's time to get out there though, we haven't got any time to waste. And it's good to finally be out of Hoojumboogoo territory and out in the greens. They don't Wait, do you hear that? Running water. That means we're close.
Close to what?
The milk. You know, spiders, they make milk, they love the water, Oh, come here. There it is. Oh, would you look at it? It's so beautiful. All right, now I'm gonna try and sneak up on that beauty there. Come on. Ah! 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 Ah!
Did she hear you?
No. All right, now I gotta be very careful with this. Come here, you little sucker.
Don't let it get away!
All right, you little sucker. All right, now that we've defeated the beast, we gotta go find the carcass. All right, I think she went. Oh, there she is. Come on. Yeah, there we are. I put this little sucker through the ringer, but you see, just fine, like I said. Now we've got to get on and find the other ingredients, so let's get a move.
Excuse me, I have a package here for Dick Sniper. There's some eggs, butter, flour, and...
Yeah, he's right, Rick, oh.
How much do I owe you?
$10, please. Thank you very much.
Yeah, let's go.
Ricky, we got some milk and some...
So now that we have all of the ingredients, it's time to combine the dry and the wet ingredients. So,
Ricky! What the heck in the world are you doing? Wait, no, stop. I didn't mean it, no!
Alright, now that we're done combining all of this beautiful pancake batch together, it's time for some quick pancake facts! Pancake fact number 1. Pancakes were actually invented by Jesus Christ. God bless America!
Ricky, I think you blessed me again! Ricky, help me!
Alright, now that we got our mix together, we can add our special ingredients. We've got a nice ripe banana here, so let's cut it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take this little man and put him in the batter. 5, 6, 7, 8. I have some in that I really hate, and I like the look of that. And,
No.
Now you listen here. One day when the world goes dark, you're gonna be the last thing seen. And let me tell you, where we're going, there's not gonna be any light. We're going to the void. And let me tell you, it's real empty in there. And now that we have our mix all together, it's time to preheat the stove to 35% chance of showers. And to do that, we'll get our lovely assistant. Oh, Reginald, you can come out now.
Yes, master.
Now go preheat that stove, you brute. And while that's happening, how about another quick pancake fact? I have a gun.
Ricky, are
I'm ready. Alright, and now it's a time to make the critic proud with some delicious pancakes and Alright, and now it's time to let that little cake sit for about 1 billion. Do you know what it's like to live for 1 billion? To move through the endless eons without even being noticed. Time is not favorable to those who do not make bold steps, and you have made none. Look at what you have done. You are nothing in the grand scheme, but a liar, a fool, and this will be your fate forevermore. Oh, smells immaculate. It would make a Mamma Mia cry. And now, let's go show it to the critic, our dish that we prepared so specially for him.
I bet we'll get 5 stars.
I'm sorry that it took us so long. Here you go, sir. Hot Wheel Racer.
what are we filming today?
Well, today we're filming a food and wild food. He has a gun and it is terrifying.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Richard Snipre. Chef Richard Snipre-Reiffel. Let's just get right into it, shall we? We're gonna be making some delicious pancakes for the world-famous food, the cricket.
Take 5. And action. Hold on, let's try that again.
I look like sex. And to do that, I hired somebody special. What's his name? Kurt Ringy. Kurt Ringy!
Hello.
Kurt Ringy!
You know, I was placed down here purposely. Sometimes you might.
Camera rolling. Shut up. Where are we today, Kurt Ringy?
We're in the Gur-glubbeld, and we're looking for some black.
It was probably a little. What the fuck? I had to get that. Yeah.
All right, you little sucker.
How'd that go?
I'm surprised there isn't more milk on my little feetsies than there is, but there's milk plenty on other fucking.
This is breaking news. We're trying to find this man's father. Have you seen it? Oh, look. Did you find it?
There's still some juice in this little fella.
We got some milk and some... Ricky! What the heck in the world are you doing? Wait, no, stop. I didn't mean it. No, we both have the same mom. No! Ah! Ah! Not the same. What the f***?
Your mother.
So we have now encountered the hardest part, actually making pancake mix.
Yeah.
So which one of these do we use?
Pancake mix. We did it. All right, and here we got the flour. You know where the flour comes from, don't you? No? Okay. I don't.
This is how you become a real man. Real men need facial hair, and here's how you do it.
I'm a man. Ah, the soul patch. Ah, the soul of America.
Series, action.
I have a gun.
I have a gun.
We're rolling, and action.
And now it's time to... What? Moment of triumph.
That looks more like a pancake than I ever would have imagined.
Well, I mean, it's just, you know, it's the stuff. It's the...
Got something on your face. The aftermath.
The aftermath of the okay, if I'm gonna be, oh yes,
Sneeze?
yeah, I, you know, when I sneeze, I just turn right in my shoulder.
Is that a garlic clove?
Yeah, that was a piece of garlic.
Oh, no.
Honestly, it wasn't the worst thing in the world. It's all right. Why is
You proud of yourself, Chef Richard?
I wouldn't say proud, but I'm not displeased.
He is the game dude. He is so food.
We're game dude reviews food. Is your hunger eternal as mine?
I don't know about you guys, but So, should we take our first bite? Cheers. No, we have coronavirus.
We have coronavirus.
This has been, and we'll see you.
Where did the cardboard come from? The things we do for this channel!